Hello student. Now I am going to explain about module 1, that is power generation. The first topic in the module of the first module is layout of power system. The layout of power system it's nothing but it shows, or it is a representation of a power system network. So the layout means representation of a power system network. Power system is the branch of the electrical and electronics engineering field, and actually power system is classified into 3 subsections. The first subsection is generation, second one transmission, third one distribution. Actually the system can be classified into 3 subsections: generation, transmission and distribution. And last one is utilization, that is coming under the distribution part, utilization. So we need to represent these 3 subsections: generation, transmission, distribution, in the layout of power systems. Before that, what is generation? The generation is nothing but it generates the electrical power by using the different methods, like hydro station is there, thermal station, nuclear station, wind, solar. So a lot of methods are there to produce the electrical energy. In India, the generating voltage level is 11 kV. So that is the voltage level in India, 11 kV. So whether it is a hydro station, thermal or a nuclear station, the generating voltage in India is 11 kV. The next one is transmission part. That is the second part in the power system network, transmission part. So the main objective of transmission part is to transmit the electrical power from the generating stations to consumer side, because the large generating stations like hydro, thermal, nuclear stations are located far away from the consumer side. So that we should transmit this bulk amount of electrical power from the generating station to the consumer side. So transmission can be done in higher level of voltage, like 66 kV, 110, 220 or 400 kV. Actually we generate electricity with the level of 11 kV, and for transmission purpose we increase the voltage level from 11 kV to the different level, like 66, 110, 220 and 400 kV. The need for higher transmission is to reduce the transmission losses, and it is having a capacity to handle large amount of power. So this is the two advantage of higher transmission the energy on higher voltage level. Also the transmission can be classified into 2. First one is primary transmission, second one is secondary transmission. Primary transmission is also known as primary transmission level or transmission level. The voltage range of primary transmission level are 110, 220, 400 kV. So the transmission line which belongs 110 kV, 220 or 400 kV means it is a primary transmission network. Secondary transmission, the voltage level of secondary transmission is 66 kV. The next one, distribution. Distribution is nothing but it distribute the electrical energy to consumer with desired voltage level. Okay. So distribution also classified into 2 types. One is primary distribution, second one is secondary distribution. So the voltage level like 1133 kV which belongs to primary distribution, whereas the voltage level 240 or 415 volt that belongs to secondary distribution. And this is a layout of a power system network. So in this layout, three generators are, we placed three generators at the top of the diagram. So this is the generation part. This generator, this part indicates the generation part. It generates electricity with the voltage level of 11 kV. Okay, all generators are operating in the voltage level of 11 kV. So the generation part is over. The next is transmission part. So in transmission part, so very nearer to this generating station, we placed the transformer. Okay, so this green line, this winding, winding indicates the transformer. So this transformer is located very nearer to the generating station. Actually, this transformer is step up transformer because we generate the electricity with the 11 kV, and next step is to transmit this electrical energy. For that, we increase the voltage level of 11 kV to higher value of 132 or 110, 220, 400 kV. Okay, so you can use 110 instead of 132. So 110, 220 or 400 kV. That is transmission level or primary transmission level. Okay, primary transmission. So the 110, 220, 400, it denotes primary transmission. Again, the second layer of transformer is there. Okay, second layer of transformer is there. So it is a step down transformer. So in this transformer, the higher voltage like 110, 220, 400 kV, the higher voltage is reduced to the lower value of 66 kV. So that range is known as secondary transmission level or sub transmission level. Okay, both are same, secondary or sub transmission level, 66 kV. Okay, the next transformer, third layer of transformer, actually it reduces the voltage from 66 kV to 33 or 11 kV, 66 kV to 33 or 11 kV. So the third layer of the transformer onwards, the distribution part starts. Okay, so in distribution part there are two transmission, there are two distribution, primary distribution and secondary distribution. So in primary distribution, the voltage level of primary distribution is 33 and 11 kV, whereas secondary distribution, the voltage range is 440. So in between the primary and secondary distribution, one layer of transformer is placed between primary and secondary distribution. So that transformer is known as distribution transformer. So the distribution transformer which converts the voltage from 33 or 11 kV to 440 or 230 volt and supply to the small consumers. So that is the layout of power system. And based on the consumer, actually the small consumer take the electricity from the bottom portion of the power system network. Okay, that means they take the electricity with the voltage range of 400 and 230 volt for the small consumer. Medium consumer. So examples for the small consumers are our domestic buildings or small commercial establishment. So these are coming under the small consumers. Medium consumer means the medium consumers takes the electricity from the primary distribution side or 33 or 11 kV. That is medium consumer. For example of medium consumer, our college campus, it receives the power with the voltage range of 11 kV, or medium type industry also, they takes the electricity from the primary distribution side, from the 11 kV side. Then large consumer like Telk or Apollo Tire, they takes the electricity from the sub-transmission level or secondary transmission level. Sub-transmission and secondary transmission level are same. Okay, so large consumer like Telk, Apollo Tire, they takes the electricity from the secondary transmission level or sub-transmission level, 66 kV. And very large consumer, they receive the power from the primary transmission level or transmission level, primary transmission level or transmission level of the 110 kV, 130 or 110, 220, 400 kV. So this is the layout of power system network. And actually the type of consumers are small consumer, medium consumer and large consumer, heavy consumer. The small consumer means they take the electricity from the primary distribution side. Medium consumer, they take the electricity from the secondary distribution side. Large consumer, they receive the power from the secondary transmission network or sub-transmission network. Then heavy consumer or very large consumer, they receive the electrical power from the primary transmission network or transmission network. That's all. Thank you.